Today we got Burger King. We are trying out their new Brisket Whopper. So I asked for no pickle, no mayo, add jalapenos. Let's see what it's looking like. Ooh. Alright, it's got tomatoes, jalapenos, cheese, brisket, and a beef patty on it. Let me get another bite. You can really taste that sweet barbecue sauce thing on here. Next time I think I'm gonna add some onions on it. The brisket is real soft and chewy. A Coke Freezy. And I had to get some onion rings. This is what I've been thinking about all day, and why I went to Burger King was for this onion ring with a dip of zesty sauce. I was thinking about these onion rings all day. Overall, I'm gonna give the burger a 6 out of 10. It's not my favorite.